Hello my dear friends, and today we continue to work with aspects between planets in Natal Chart. You remember we have seen all the aspects for Moon, for Sun, and now we are finishing with Mercury. Today we are taking Mercury-Pluto aspects in Natal Chart. You do remember what is Mercury? It's responsible for our speech, for our communication, for our intellectual capacity, how we learn, digest information and able to pass it through, yeah? Well, and Pluto is our nuclear energy, so to say. They call it malefic planet. So it's basically very energetically charged influence, yeah? It's like nuclear power inside of us. So it's, how to say, it can affect us really, really deeply, as pluses and minuses too. Well, let's start with conjunction. Mercury in conjunction with Pluto. So it's 0 till 5 degrees between these two planets in Natal Chart. You see people through. You have very sharp brain and very strong will. You are incredibly stubborn. You're just so stubborn, so nobody can actually persuade you to change your point of view or whatsoever. You will be on your level of thoughts or on idea forever. Nobody can change this, okay? You are interested in sexual side of story, of sexual side of life, of course, because Pluto is very energetic person, and when it is connected to our personal planet, it gives you such a drive, sexual drive. It's enormous. Basically, you love to dig the hidden info, you love secrets, you love unriddle all the puzzles. You are just digging, you will be perfect detective. You can untangle, unriddle any puzzle, you can find the truth. When everybody just already washed their hands away, they're tired, you insatiable, okay? You just need the truth, you just need to go till the end, and that's why you will be absolutely fantastic detective. You can concentrate more than 100% on this or that target or task and you will solve it, okay? You have occult talents, of course, because anything you speak, anything you pronounce is energetically charged. You are vibrating differently, okay? You can hold the people's attention. You can influence their minds. And you need to experience this power, intellectual power over other people, over others' brains. And you can do this. Yes, you can. But what I'm saying, it's still unsettled mind, yeah? You are criticizing all the time, yourself first of all, and others. You can see all their imperfections, and yours too. You can't feel happy 100% with your own achievements, because there will be always something, always something to be better, to make it more perfect, etc. And yes, this talent to criticize yourself and all the others, you can control it, okay? Don't be so, you know, categorical, so to say, only black and white, only 100%. I love it 100%. It can't be anything in the middle, like 50% or something. Yes, nothing in the middle for Pluto, yeah? It's everything or nothing. This is Pluto. What can we do, yeah? You have subconscious fears sometimes, which are on the way of your communication and of your learning, yeah? So, basically, I was looking at several autistic kids charts. My son is autistic, and I was, of course, exploring his case, but all our people that we know in our community with autistic kids, they have absolutely similar things about Mercury, our intellectual capacity, our mind, and Pluto. Basically, it's always in conjunction. Yeah, in conjunction, Mercury and Pluto might give autism, especially if there is some square, for example, from Uranus and Saturn. That's it. It will be autism 100%. We are living at the time when we can plan conceiving, when we can plan birth through cesarean. So please, people who want to have healthy children without these autistic problems or whatsoever, go to good astrologist which can calculate you the time of conceiving, the time of birth. So these things might be controlled, okay? I'm just warning you. It is very how to say, very strong aspect. Whatever you're taking, conjunction, sextile, trine, opposition, and square. With Pluto, nothing is easy. It will be always huge tension, huge level of will concentration, occult talents, of course, but there will be always something which like a hunger to control other people, to control things happening in life, and this might give you difficult life, okay? That's what I'm saying. It's not for everyone to choose, yeah? It's not easy life, ever, okay? Mercury in sextile and trine with Pluto. Insistence on high standards toward yourself and others. That's the same as criticizing yourself and others all the time. So it gives you the feeling of constant nuisance inside of you, yeah? Because you want high standards in everything, from others and from yourself, yeah? You are a categorical person, you want all or nothing. That's why you dig all the secrets through extreme tension, till you find the truth. Of course, you would be a perfect detective. You will find any truth in any puzzle, in any case. You are digging all the secrets. You reveal all the secrets. This is you. You are born to be like this, to dig through layers of information until you find the truth, yeah? You can concentrate. This is fantastic. This is ability of concentration. It's not just 100%, it's 1000%. All the others are already broken. They are tired. They can't go on. You still sleepless, without food, without any rest or whatever. You are digging until you find it. Yeah. You have such a physical capacity, mental capacity to do this. You are an extremely strong person, yeah? You never give up until you solve it, okay? What else? Of course you have occult talents, of course. You can be magician, okay? Your words are energetically charged. Whatever you're saying, even whatever you're thinking, with special vibration, is already happening in reality. So please, watch your mouth, watch the way you are thinking. Doesn't matter what is the aspect, Mercury, Pluto. It can be square opposition or it can be trine sextile as well. Still, you can influence people's mind, yeah? That's the strength of your thought. That's the special vibration, special waves, frequency, whatever, of your speech and of your thoughts. Things are beginning to happen all around you. So basically, you are magician. You are born to be magician. So your task here is not make any curses or whatsoever, okay? Please be aware that you are wishing only good. Please watch the ecological purity of your thoughts, because you can make things happen, okay? Well, what else? You have fantastic intuition, of course, and you just smell things, especially concerning money matter. You can predict any fluctuation of currency rates. You can make huge money on this, okay? Anyway, you are talented in every aspect, person. Yeah, you are having special magnetism, charisma. You are influencing people's brain. You are persuading people in anything you want them to persuade. Yeah, we are talking about this hypnotic influence on other people's brains. Anyway, you can make career in anything. Okay, medicine, money matter, all financial sector, any education. You can be worldwide known coach, for example. Yeah, you can be a master of hypnosis. You can do anything, absolutely. And you have creative talents too. So whatever you are taking, you will be perfect. Yeah, you will be perfect, because this insistence of high standard is always there, and it is towards yourself, first of all. So you can reach absolutely any level of professionalism. Yeah. You can hold attention of huge number of people. You can make concerts or like big meetings or whatever. So you will be brilliant in everything, trades, whatever, financial field, whatever. You are brilliant in everything. The only but is, it's very difficult just day-to-day basis with you, because it's not ever easy for you, okay? This insistence of the high standard in everything, and towards other people too. So you can never relax with this person. That's what I'm saying. Yes, you will be a fabulous detective or master of hypnosis. Anything, absolutely anything. You can be fantastic in literature. You have talents everywhere. But please, you have special talents in occult sciences. Only you can reach this deep, you know, in this. So you are very talented and very powerful man. And if we are talking about square and opposition, so it's 90 degrees between them or 180 degrees, is pretty much the same basically. The only but negative side of Pluto, which can be sexual obsession. Yeah, this energy is just like burning inside. It's just burning you alive. You need a lot of sex in your life. Yeah, also you have very sharp tongue. Yeah, you are just naming things by their real name, but sometimes you are not watching actually with your mouth. You can sting people so deeply. You can make such a huge wounds, you know. You can crush people completely just by words. Please don't kill them all. At least immediately, okay? Yes, you're extremely stubborn. You have fantastic mathematical brain as well. You can influence people's brain, as I said already, yeah? Your words are charged with energy. You say something and it happens. So you can be sometimes so suspicious, so jealous. So you can actually suspect things which are not actually there. You're like always already expecting the bad from people. Try to ease a little bit this side of the story, yeah? You have absolutely extraordinary will. You get absolutely anything you want, and by all means you are getting is not important. You are able actually to step over anything at all to get what you want. Sometimes it's scary, okay? People sometimes are scared of you. The intensity of this, like jealousy or suspiciousness or, you know, not very good feelings. Sometimes the intensity of this is so high. You are vibrating special waves around, and people, they do feel this, you know, they do. You have fantastic occult sciences, of course. You would be absolutely perfect in hypnosis. You can persuade people to do anything you want them to do, okay? You can lead the huge number of people behind you. The great thing, you can foresee what things might happen, and in bad field too, like terroristic attacks, accidents, big tragedy, pandemic stuff, or whatever. You can warn people to prepare, to save them in crisis situation. That's what you are here for, okay? And especially in square and opposition, the intents of these talents are absolutely fantastic. These are very rare skills. You foresee bad things to happen, and your task here is to save other people. Make it possible. save as many as possible, okay? Because you foresee, you smell bad things happening here. And your task here is to learn how not to make bad things happening. So if even you have some bad thoughts, some negativity in your head, just learn this, how to delete this, like on computer, just delete, 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 because this is the power of your thoughts, let alone power of your speech, yeah? Even bad thinking might already fulfill things in reality. So always try to think beautifully, only positive thinking, because you might create bad things happening. That's all I wanted to tell you about Mercury-Pluto aspects. It is very powerful, guys, it is, and you have to be very careful with these aspects. If you have story to share, if you have such aspects in your natal chart or natal chart of your kids, please share the stories with us. If you don't want anybody to see all this, because you are quite secretive, guys, please share on my email or on my WhatsApp, please, because I'm investigating the autistic brain capacities, and astrology is helping me in this. I would be really, really grateful for this. Thank you for watching me. Have a wonderful weekend. See you on Monday. Bye-bye.